major setback to the Joseph Vijay-led TVK government, the Madras High Court's Madurai bench on July 27th quashed the government's decision to provide government jobs to the relatives of those who lost their lives in the Karur Stampede last year. A division bench comprising Justices C.V. Karthikeyan and R. Shaktivel ruled that the appointments violated Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution. The bench observed that granting such appointments unfairly bypassed candidates who were already waiting for compassionate appointments in various government departments. On July 10th, Chief Minister Joseph Vijay handed over appointment orders to 31 relatives of those who died in the stampede that occurred in Karur on September 27, 2025. While acknowledging that the government intended to provide relief to the affected families, the High Court observed that it was inappropriate to overlook others who were already on the waiting list for compassionate appointments. The bench further cautioned that allowing such appointments would open the floodgates for similar claims in the future, making it difficult to deny the same benefit in other comparable cases. The court also pointed out that in several other tragic incidents, including fatal accidents at firecracker units and road accidents, the families of the victims are generally provided with ex gratia compensation rather than government employment. Based on these observations, the Madras High Court's Madurai bench quashed the government's order granting jobs to the relatives of the Karur Stampede victims. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.